My name is Daniel Roberts and I love planes. This is the first choice built in 1999 from 2001. I went to go on the first choice from Spain in Benidorm. I went on my travel for 5 times. Been from Germany in Berlin. I've been to EasyJet 7 times. France, Egypt, Spain, Rome, Venice, Switzerland, and Egypt. Lots of places there. That's what I call easy twin jets. Boeing 737 to maybe 300 or even 700. And this is a British Airways Boeing 747, and I haven't been on this from Heathrow to Scotland. Well, I'd like to be there someday. Maybe someday. This is a Lithuania Boeing 747, actually the same. And I haven't been on it. Not yet. This is the one I like. It's a Ryanair Boeing 737. And I've been there 5 times. I've been to Italy with my mum and dad and my brother. And this is the one I love of Ryanair. It's a low cost price, maybe £5. This is the one I love when I dream that. It's called Thomson Fly Boeing 757. I want to be an airliner pilot when I grow up. That's my big, big dream.